Masale has been into existence since 1980. Our products have become the need of every household because of our experience of more than 100 years. Our foresightedness has helped us to maintain a never-ending relationship with the consumers. At every stage of production, we thrive to provide consistent quality and traditional taste to our consumers. We take proper care to maintain the aroma and taste of our ground, whole and mixed spices, and this can be achieved only through the advanced manufacturing technology. Continuous efforts are made to constantly improve the taste of the products through state-of-the-art technologies. Advanced machines not only help us to increase the efficiency but also make sure that every single packet is filled with pure and hygienic products. Even the international and the Indian standards like ISO, HACCP, FSSAI and Halal support our claims because of our high-quality products. Goldie Masale has become a household name not only in India but also in USA, UK, Europe, Gulf countries, South and North Asia. Today, Goldie Masale has a wide variety of products that are produced under the Spices Division, Asafoetida Division, Pickle Division, Papad Division, Sauce Division, Instant Food Division, Tea Division, Perfumery Division, Puja Division, and Beverage Division. Packaging plays a very important role in any product's success. We clearly understand this fact and have been keeping a regular check on the same through our in-house packaging testing lab. At our packaging testing lab, each and every packaging material is thoroughly tested. Because of this, the shelf life of the products is extended. We also have a separate market research department through which we get genuine customer feedbacks. We regularly work on improvising in order to meet our consumers' requirements. Because of our quality standards, many leading Indian companies get their products packaged at our facilities. Apart from high quality and efficient marketing, the success of any FMCG company depends in its effective branding and promotions. To achieve new heights of success, we have made Salman Khan as the brand ambassador of Goldie Masale. This is a feather in our cap. We use various publicity mediums to promote our products, because of which our brand value has reached new heights. We also take part in national and international exhibitions to showcase our products. In order to provide uninterrupted supply of products throughout India, Goldie Group has not only established a strong marketing and logistics network, but also tied up with several modern retail chains. Goldie Group understands its responsibility towards the upliftment of the society. Goldie Group understands the consequences of water wastage and has developed a zero water waste technology. For an uninterrupted supply of quality raw materials, we have established a cold storage with a capacity of 1 lakh sacks in our factory premises. गोल्डी ग्रुप, जहां जाए रिश्ते बनाए।